Hey, this is Kim from Body Solutions Therapy, and what I wanted to share with you today is a stretch for the front of your leg, primarily your hip flexors. These muscles tend to get really tight if you do a lot of sitting, and when they're tight, they can contribute to back discomfort. So what we're going to do is a stretch in sitting, and I find this particularly effective because you don't have to worry about balancing while you're doing the stretch. So that allows you to put your full attention on the stretch itself and just to really relax into it, and you will typically get a better release that way. So what you're going to want is a chair without arms, and we're going to position ourselves so that the leg that we're stretching is off the side of the chair. And you're going to want to put pillows underneath that knee so that you feel supported and you're not tipped to the side. And then we also want to be aware of what position our back is in. So we don't want our back to be really arching as we pull this back, because that'll put a lot of stress on your lower back. So make sure that you keep this stable as you bring the knee back. And when bringing the knee back is what's going to stretch the front of your leg here. So you're going to bring it back till you feel a slight tension. And when you feel that slight tension, you're just going to do some nice deep breaths. So you're going to breathe in through your nose, and then a nice long exhale, letting everything relax. So another key point with stretching is that by using your breathing, you can make your stretch more effective. And by tuning into the area that you're stretching, feeling that tension area as you breathe in and out, tends to make your stretch more effective and allow the tissues to release quicker. So when you breathe in again, notice how there's extra tension in your body, just like a balloon expanding. It gets tighter. When you breathe out, feel everything relax, just like a balloon deflating. Let everything soften. And notice the area where you felt that tension. As soon as you're no longer feeling tension here, you can bring that back a little bit further and just repeat that same process. So breathing in, and then a nice long exhale. Let everything soften in your body when you breathe out. So the tendency for most people, what I find, is that they really try to stretch too far. And when you do that, it actually sets off the receptors in the tissues to want to tighten the muscles more. So I encourage you to ease up on your stretch to the point of just feeling a very subtle stretch, and start at that point. And when you no longer feel tension, go into a little bit more of a stretch. I think you'll find you get a lot better releases that way. So hopefully that was helpful. Until next time, keep up the good work and with taking care of yourself.